What's up guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we're putting on a rear disc guard and caliper guard on this 2024 250XC. Developed for off-road, extreme enduro, and motocross, making it suitable for all types of riding. Provides side and leading edge disc protection made from the same durable material as our rear chain guides, with friction-reducing additives and UV protection to help eliminate color fade. Our material glides over and around obstacles with much less friction grab than aluminum, while being lightweight with multi-angled large cutouts to help cool the rear brake rotor.